Okay, so let's continue with the toppers. We did these summer bunnies and I'm making a rainbow. I'm so sorry about the shadow and the lighting. I just changed my workstation, so this is the best I could decide on, which is quite peaceful for me to work. I am looking for... Okay, I'm just sorting out which one should I be using. I'll be using this one, I think. Yes. Okay. I'm using an extruder to get the even even sausages for my rainbow instead of just rolling it by hand. Okay. So first goes the purple color. Get a proper curve. I'm going to assemble it around the circle cutter. So similar way I'm going to make all the sausages, and then I'll show you how I will be assembling it. Okay, so I've done 3 colors and I'll just show you how you assemble it. So I'll just do the next 3 then. My first color would just be like that. I'm thinking to take a bigger cutter so that it's a little wider. Okay. Yeah, better. Okay. Then I'm using a water brush and applying water. Next color goes on. That's the blue one. We're not bothered about the unevenness on the bottom. I think I'll take a little clear look. Okay, so I'm not really bothered about how uneven is it, because we will of course level all the colors once they are there like a rainbow, so it's gonna look like a rainbow. So I'm just gonna assemble around this so I have a proper curve. And like next goes the green, then yellow, orange, and the red. So that's how I'm going to assemble it, and then I'll show you how it looks. So I've already assembled the rainbow with all the colors in here. Let me give you a closer look. I hope you're able to see. Okay, so of course this is all uneven. Okay, what we will do here is I'm going to, and since I know my yellow is the shortest one, I'm going to trim it till the yellow. Like I'm just doing the lines now because I want it all equal. Okay, so this is where I'm just going to cut. I've marked here the parallel line basically. So if you want, I mean, for me, I eyeballed it. Okay, if you want, you can just go ahead and keep a scale or something and do it. I'll just show you 1 second. I'm looking for a scale. I do have one in the toolbox. In my toolbox, yes, I've got two. Great. So I just eyeballed it. If you see, it's all leveled. Okay, so you can do it that way also. You can put a scale and mark parallel all together like lines, but I just eyeballed it to get it straight. Yeah, okay, and now I'm just going to bake this. I'm baking this at a very lower temperature, which is 100 degrees centigrade from my oven. I'm baking it because I need it in 30 minutes to be used in the cake. I'm quite late to make this topper and something last minute. So I want it to be hard enough for it to stand on a cake, and that's the only reason I'm going to bake it. And this goes in the oven for around 30 minutes. Actually 20 minutes, but I'm just keeping a little longer to make sure that it is going to be hard enough and I can put it over a cake. Okay, so that's how you make a rainbow topper. Okay, so now we'll decorate the cake with the toppers. So this is my cake that I had covered with fondant and kept it ready. Okay, one by one I'll start putting my toppers where the design is. So that's how my rainbow looks like. I just hope it stands, but it's not that tall. Okay. So with the help of a skewer, I added at the back, and that's how it's gonna look from the front, which looks nice. I'm just gonna add a bit of white clouds here so that you don't see the sticks, and then the cake is done. We just paste the message here, that's happy birthday, and then I'm done with this cake.